Hey, beautiful babes. What is up? What is up? Your girl, Sweet Angel, is in the building. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited about today. I hope you're doing well. If you're new to the channel, again, I'm Sweet Angel. And listen, if you are new, you know what you got to do. I want you to join the Beautiful Babe Brigade. All you have to do is hit that little subscribe button and make sure you turn on your notifications because, girl, we got some good stuff going on over here. Listen, y'all, if you are like me, I am always on the hunt. I'm always searching and looking for ways to keep my mature skin looking soft, smooth, oh yeah, and most importantly, healthy. That's why I'm thinking today's video is going to be right up your alley. I'm so happy to be partnering with EVORA. EVORA is the maker of this amazing botanical oil. Y'all, I tried it and I love it. Yes, I do. Let me tell you something. This oil right here is a lightweight massage oil. And y'all, let me break out these ingredients. Hopefully I'm pronouncing this correctly, but this oil is made with Wakame Algae, Brazil nut oil, and Passionflower Seed Oil. It's designed to deeply moisturize the skin without leaving behind that heavy, greasy feeling. So I tried it, and does it live up to the claim? Abso-freaking-lutely. Y'all, let me share with you my thoughts on this oil right here. The first thing I noticed was the elegant packaging. It definitely gives that spa day self-care vibe. The oil itself feels lightweight when I pour it into my hand. It's not overly thick and it spreads across my skin very easily. I appreciate oils that don't feel like they're just sitting on top of my skin because I like getting dressed shortly after applying them. I decided to apply it right after my shower while my skin was still slightly damp. Y'all, it glided on beautifully. I massaged it into my arms. I decided to apply it right after my shower while my skin was still slightly damp. Y'all, it glided on beautifully. I massaged it into my arms, legs, shoulders, chest, and elbows. One thing I noticed almost immediately was how easily it spread across my skin. I didn't need very much product to cover a large area. As I continued massaging it in, my skin started looking healthier and more hydrated. Instead of looking dry and ashy, it had a soft, natural glow. What impressed me most was that it absorbed fairly quickly. Some body oils leave my skin feeling sticky or make me afraid to sit down because I don't want oil all over my furniture. This one felt much lighter than I expected. My skin felt moisturized without feeling weighed down. It gave me that freshly moisturized feeling while still allowing my skin to breathe. Now, one thing I really enjoy is incorporating body massage into my nightly self-care routine. Taking a few extra minutes to massage my arms and legs helps me slow down after, like a busy day, you know what I'm saying? And adding a lightweight botanical oil like this makes the experience feel even more relaxing. I also like that it's plant-based and contains botanical oils that help condition the skin as part of a daily moisturizing routine. For mature skin, consistency is everything. Keeping your skin hydrated day after day can help improve the overall appearance and leave it looking smoother and healthier. If you have dry skin, if you enjoy giving yourself a relaxing massage, if you like body oils that absorb, or if you're building a nighttime skincare routine, I think this could be a nice addition. It also makes a thoughtful gift for someone who enjoys spa-inspired skincare. Overall, I enjoyed trying the EVORA Botanical Body Oil. I like how lightweight it feels, how easily it spreads across my skin, and the healthy glow it leaves behind without feeling greasy. Beautiful babes, I am so in love with this oil. Listen, I've only had it for a little while and I'm already getting very, very deep into it. Honestly, I have loved it since day one. No jokes, no jokes. Oh my goodness. Love the feeling, love how it just glides on. Oh, yes, I think you're going to be in love. And I will definitely have it all linked below for you, because I don't want you to miss out on the goodness of this EVORA Botanical Oil, y'all. That's it. That's it. As always, beautiful babes, skincare is personal and everyone's skin is different. But based on my first impression and just the few times that I've used it, I can definitely see myself reaching for this time after time after my evening shower as part of my body care routine. Listen, if you'd like to learn more about this oil right here, the EVORA Botanical Oil, I'll leave my link and the product information down below. So be sure you check it out. Okay, beautiful babes, that is it. Until next time, listen, y'all know where to find me. Indeed you do. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, and I'll see you beautiful babes in the next video. Bye.